Hey guys, right now we're gonna do the cinematic art of Starcraft. It's a game that was made a long time ago by Blizzard Entertainment. So, if you guys know about this game, it's one of the best strategy games that was out there when it first came out. With Starcraft One. This is Starcraft Two, or Starcraft in general, I guess. So I guess this is all the Starcrafts, I guess. This is all the Starcrafts. Let me just see. Yeah, so just Starcraft. All the Starcrafts, right? So the first is Starcraft Brood War. We're just going into the old cinematics of the first game that ever came out, and this is Wings of Liberty. So this is the second game that they came out with, and it's the best one, basically, you know. Well, I never finished it, but I played a lot of it. Blizzard made it free to play. Like, I wanted to buy it, but Blizzard made it free to play. And I don't know really how to buy it on Blizzard. Like, I tried buying it, but it was like they just wanted to make it playable for people that were new, I guess, to play multiplayer. And I just played most of the game on there, you know. But I did finish the first one. First one was pretty good, actually. I enjoyed it a lot. That's why I wanted to buy the second one. So this is Reynar right here. It's like the captain. Like, you meet him in the first one. He was driving like not like a bike, but it's like an SUV bike or something like that. I don't even know. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, Reynar. You get introduced to him. He's like the captain, and he has a suit in the second one, right? He's not really driving in a vehicle anymore. He's like one of the captains and stuff like that. So these are all like the character designs and stuff like that. For part 2. Wings of Liberty. Here's the ship. Here's one of their ships. Here's Kerrigan. Or actually, no, that's just the girl, actually. That's the machine girl that he just talks to, you know? I forgot what her name is, though. This is one of the prisoners. This is the best one. This is like one of the best times in the game. It's like when you have to escape from the prison, or you have to let loose all the prisoners, right? So you have to help them escape, and then this guy just goes in as a ghost, like where he goes invisible, and yeah, just blows everything up basically, and lets the prisoners all escape, and then they turn on his side. You know what I mean? It's one of the best parts of the game, you know. I really liked it. You know what I mean? And I like that hero. I forgot what his name is. Here's Kerrigan. What she turns into, like, what she did. Everybody thought she died because she was going to war and she was a human, and then she got taken in by the Zerg, and then they made her their queen. You know what I mean? And this is where she just stands tall with the Zerg, and she's the queen of them. You know? This is how she looked before the war. You know what I mean? She's on their side, but you know they got screwed or whatever by their team. You know what I mean? So they were gonna leave them for dead and so that, and yeah, like she had to face the Zerg by herself. You know what I mean? After her team left her, you know. So she's sort of going for revenge because, you know what I mean? They didn't have to leave her; they could have saved her. But after she gets caught by the Zerg, she wants her revenge, you know. But this is all the guys. And this is the prisoner guy. I should have finished the game just to see like who that guy was, you know. Like how he ends up being in the end, because he was acting quite iffy during the game. I don't know what his story was after, but Let me know in the comments if you know. So this is all the Zerg stuff. All the aliens and stuff. Yeah, Zerg is pretty nasty. You know what I mean? Pretty nasty. They're pretty nasty in the first one, and they're pretty nasty in the second one. You know. But one of the most enjoyable games. I think I'm gonna play it again soon, just to finish it off. You know. Hopefully I didn't delete it. You know what I mean? But this is all the stuff. Yeah. This is one of the bases, I guess. Or this is one of the cities. Is Kerrigan taking over the city? Just one of the machines again. Another one of the machines. Don't really know what they're called. I don't know if they have names on them. But I'm just flipping through the book just to see. All the outfits and all the ghost technology, you know. Another scene. Art there. Never got into protons with them. I'm surprised. Yeah, so this is basically all the Zerg stuff, you know. I guess this book is just like going through all the Starcraft games. You know what I mean? I thought it was just Wings of Liberty, but it's going through. You know what I mean? There was a lot put in this game. You know, took a lot. It doesn't look like it. It's you know, graphic wise, it's amazing. You know what I mean? Like it just gameplay wise, it's amazing. Graphic wise, it's amazing. But if you're not really into strategy games, I can see why you wouldn't be like attracted to this. You know what I mean? Or wouldn't appeal to you because it's bird's eye view of a game. You know what I mean? So the shots are from the top, and you can't really get. You can zoom in, but you can't really act as one player. Like you gotta move the mouse around and everything, you know. So right here we're getting into the protons, right? Protons are the second aliens, a bunch of aliens. And this guy was like he was an ancient, and he warns Raynar of what's about to happen if he doesn't stop Kerrigan, you know. So he was helping Raynar. Jim Raynar, one of my favorite characters ever made. Probably because he's a badass, right? So that's why I like him. Yeah, so I guess this is coming to an end. So yeah, I guess you could give this game on Blizzard Entertainment and see if you guys enjoy it, you know? So I guess this is sort of the end of the book. Coming up with all the stories and so on. So yeah, find this on Amazon and get to playing this, you know? Alright guys, this is Starcraft by Blizzard Entertainment. Alright, thanks again, later.